Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you will fine, and I welcome you to the science class for class 5th. And today we are going to start new chapter, that is health and hygiene. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what things we are going to learn today is we are going to learn about food groups. We are going to learn about the type of nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, then protein, then vitamin, then minerals, then roughage, then what is balanced diet, then the role of water. Okay, and then we will study. So these things we will study today, and these things we will study in the next class, that is disease, type of disease, communicable, non communicable, how to prevent it, then hygiene, exercise, rest and posture. Okay, yes. So health, as the name of your this chapter, your this lesson is health and hygiene. So how you will say that a person is healthy? Okay, so a person will be called healthy if he is physically and mentally fit. Okay, what do you mean by physically and mentally fit? If his body is good, okay, if he has no kind of any deficiency, अगर उसको कोई भी तरह का रोग नहीं है, कोई इस तरह का बीमारी नहीं है, okay, and if he is mentally fit, okay, means he is free, okay, he has no tension, okay, then we will call as a healthy person. Okay, yes. Okay, so okay, but to remain this healthy we need some things. Okay, to remain healthy, sorry, to be healthy person you need to have a proper diet, अच्छा खाना, okay, then अच्छी exercise, then अच्छी नींद, then अच्छी hygiene. Okay, so proper food, then this exercise, then rest, or you can say sleep, and then the hygiene. Okay, you have to keep your body clean. Okay, yes, so for that you have to take bath every day, to rest, to give rest to your body you have to sleep 7 to 8 hours, then to keep your body fit you have to do exercise every day, and obviously you for to remain healthy you have to eat healthy foods. Okay, yes, so we are going to focus this thing today. Okay, yes. So in previous class, in class 4 you have learned that the source of food are plant and animal. Okay, yes, source of food are plant as well as animal. Okay, yes. So whatever food we eat, okay, whatever food we eat, so there are some whatever food we eat, there are some substances which are called nutrients. Okay, okay, there are some useful substances which are called nutrients. Okay, nutrients. So कुछ अच्छे चीज़ होती हैं जो हमारे बॉडी के लिए यूज़फुल होती हैं, जो हम खाना खाते हैं उस चीज़ को बोलते हैं न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ओके, यस. Then these nutrients are of 5 types, like okay, 5 types plus water. Okay, like here you have carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, then water. Okay, yes. So the amount of nutrient depend upon the age of person and depend upon the work done by the person. क्या मतलब? जैसे अगर कोई चाइल्ड है तो उसकी बॉडी को ग्रो करना है तो उसको ज़्यादा फूड की ज़रूरत है, ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिशन, ज़्यादा प्रोटीन की ज़रूरत होगी एज कम्पेयर टू ऑलरेडी जिसकी बॉडी ऑलरेडी डेवलप हो चुकी है, क्योंकि इसकी बॉडी को ग्रो होना है ना, तो इसको ज़्यादा चाहिए प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके, यस. वैसे ही अगर कोई पर्सन है एक ही जगह सिंपली बैठ के काम करना है, किसी को बहुत हार्डवर्क काम करना है, तो जिसको हार्डवर्क काम करना है उसको ज़्यादा ही फूड की ज़रूरत है, ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट की ज़रूरत होगी, और इसको कम न्यूट्रिएंट, कम फूड की ज़रूरत होगी. ठीक है, यस. So we are going to learn about everything. We will learn about carbohydrate, we will learn about protein, we will learn about fat, we will learn about vitamin, mineral and water, and something else. and also okay. Yes. Okay, so carbohydrate we get carbohydrate from the grains, okay, the bread, okay, then these grains, potato, okay, then some fruits like this whole grain, okay, this apple, banana, okay. Yes, so we get it from okay, so we get it from whole grains, okay, bread, okay, then whatever you eat at for tasty like samosa, okay, all these things, the fast food you eat, that is also come in your carbohydrate, okay. Yes, so what is the use of carbohydrate? इससे हमें क्या मिलता है? Okay, so it give us the energy, okay, it give us the energy, energy, okay. So to do running, for cycling, and for doing any work, you get energy from the carbohydrate, okay. Yes, like rice, then wheat, chapati, okay, all these things give you the energy, okay. Yes, then the next is fat, okay. So the fat you get mostly from oils, is that is why it is advised you should not eat too much oil, okay. Okay, so the fat we get from the oils, then milk product like cheese, butter, then ghee, okay. Yes, so this accumulation, when this fat deposit in our body become fat, and that excessive fat, okay, बहुत ज़्यादा जब फैट जमा हो जाए, that is called obese, and the person is called obesity, okay, that the disease is called obesity, okay. Yes, so if a person become obese, or if a person is suffering from obesity, so he develop some disease like diabetes, then heart problem, okay. Yes, so you should not eat too much fat, okay. Yes, well, by the way, this fat provide more energy than carbohydrate, okay. हमने इसमें देखा था कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट एनर्जी देता है, ठीक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एनर्जी देता है, लेकिन जो फैट होता है वो उससे भी ज़्यादा एनर्जी देता है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमें खूब ढेर सारा फैट खाना चाहिए, ओके. हाँ, जितना ज़रूरत है बस उतना ही, ओके. यस, देन प्रोटीन. So protein we get it from the mostly from the meat, okay, then pulses, okay. Yes, so the pulses and the beans, soya bean, okay, so these are the plant, okay, so plant food, and milk, fish, egg, okay, milk, fish, egg, okay, and all these things are the source of protein, okay. So these protein are used for bodybuilding, okay. They develop they develop our body, okay, they are used in developing our body, okay. Yes, and they also repair the any damage, okay, they repair any damage cell. What do you mean? If you got injury, अगर आपको कहीं चोट लग जाती है, इंजरी हो जाती है, तो वो रिकवर होता है प्रोटीन के हेल्प से, ओके. अगर आप अगर अच्छे प्रोटीन खाते हैं तो जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा. अगर आप प्रोटीन अच्छे से नहीं खाते हैं तो फिर उसको टाइम लगेगा ठीक होने में, ओके. यस, सो दिस प्रोटीन इज़ कॉल्ड बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. क्यों? क्योंकि ये बॉडी को बिल्ड करने में हेल्प करता है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड, ओके. और फैट और कार्बोहाइड्रेट को बोलते हैं एनर्जी गिविंग फूड, ओके. यस, then vitamins and minerals. So vitamin and minerals are required for proper functioning of our body, okay, just like your eyes, your bones, okay, your every organ, okay, like your lungs, kidney, okay, पूरे जितने भी ऑर्गन है सबको अच्छे से काम करने के लिए ये विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स की ज़रूरत होती है, ओके. और ये विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स कहाँ से मिलती है? मोस्टली वेजिटेबल्स, and that also green vegetables plus fruit, okay. So green vegetables and fruits plus egg, then milk, then fishes, then some fruits, okay. Yes, So how this help? Yes, this help to improve your immunity system. Okay, immunity system. What do you mean by immunity system? So immunity system is a kind of system that help you to fight against disease. Okay, so if any germ is entering your body will be able to fight against them. Okay, and they, if you get vitamins and minerals, then your eye will work properly. Okay, then your bones will become stronger. Okay, then your every part of your body will work properly. Okay, yes. Then water and roughage. So water, you know that 70% of our body is made up of water. Okay, just like your skin, your muscle, your bone, your every organ, your eyes, your tongue, your intestine, your stomach, your leg, everything has some amount of water. Okay, yes. So if you say, then out of 100, 70% is made up of water, is water, and rest of the thing is your muscle. Okay, muscle, bones, and yes. So these how they help? Okay, so like your brain consists of 90% of water, then your kidney, then muscles, then your heart, your blood. Your blood is almost most of the part is fluid. Okay, okay, fluid means it is water. Okay, yes. Then how this water help us to, it help us to detox the body. It remove the waste from बॉडी, हमारे बॉडी से वेस्ट निकालता है पानी. ओके, जो भी हम पीते हैं. सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन एंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्वेट. ओके, यस. देन इट रेगुलेट द टेम्परेचर. देन इट हेल्प ऑर्गन टू अब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट्स. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में, उसको बॉडी में यूज करने में हेल्प करता है ये वाटर. ओके, and then it protect our organs also. Okay, yes. Then the last thing is roughage. Okay, roughage. What do you mean by roughage? So the food from in which there is a lot amount of fiber. Okay, जो भी फूड्स में हमें फाइबर ज़्यादा होता है, that come under the roughage. Okay, just like whole grain. Okay, like your maize, भुट्टा खाते हैं ना, मेज, मेज. ओके, एंड होल ग्रेन्स. ओके, होल ग्रेन्स लाइक ग्राम. ओके, then bajra. Okay, all these things. Okay, then fruits and vegetables, green vegetables and fruits. Okay, all these things are come under roughage. ये सब किस में आती हैं? roughage में आती है. इनका क्या काम होता है? They are helpful in our digestion. Okay, they are helpful in our digestion. Okay, they help in our digestion actually. Okay, and proper functioning of our body also. Okay, yes. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, you have some questions like what is balanced diet? Okay, I just thought I just missed balanced diet. Okay, so I'll tell you what is balanced diet. Okay, so a balanced diet is nothing but a diet. Okay, a diet in which every nutrient is present. Like if you are eating, if you are having meal, if you are doing lunch, if you are having dinner, so it should be some protein, there should be some carbohydrate, protein, then vitamins, then minerals. Okay, then adequate amount of water. Okay, so what we can say, how you will say what is the balanced diet? So adequate amount of all nutrient in your diet is called balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. Okay, adequate amount of every nutrients in your diet is called balanced diet. Okay, yes. Okay, then what are the sources of vitamins and minerals? So mostly vegetables, then fruits, then egg, then milk, then yes, fish. Okay, yes. how protein helps? So protein help us to build our body. Okay, they help in growth and development of our body. Okay, they help us to repair our injured body, repair our body. Okay, yes. Then what is the name of nutrients? So nutrients are carbohydrate, then fat, then protein, then vitamin, then minerals. Okay, yes. Then what you learn in today? Yes, try to answer it. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any question, please ask. Any doubt, please ask. So stay fit, stay healthy, keep studying. Bye bye.